welcome to the channel. I promised myself when I started doing YouTube that I was not going to be a shill bidder or shill seller, shill reviewer. I was going to review products that I use, be as honest as I can, just like I try to run my business. And if my opinion of a product changed or I gathered further data on a product that I've reviewed, whether it's to the detriment of that product or to the plus of that product, that I would talk about it and make another video. And a couple of days ago, we had just that happen. Now, back probably over a year ago now, I did a video on replacing hand truck wheels. And this is one of those hand truck wheels. And some of you have probably already spotted the problem. It broke. I was moving some heavy things, moving some stuff for a client, and I hear a crack snap, and down goes one side of the hand truck, and the wheel goes rolling out across the yard. So, got it up, went up to buy another hand truck wheel, went into the local Harbor Freight. I don't know if they're supposed to warrant these or not, but the guys gave me another wheel and gave me a little lesson on their hand truck wheels. Now, we'll get to that in just a second. What happened is the weld failed. Now, I shouldn't say the weld failed. The weld held. The piece of metal that the wheel's made out of failed. Now, what led it to do that? Yes, I've probably overloaded this thing moving an engine, so I can't say it's the fault of the product. But just something for you to keep an eye on your hand truck wheels if you have them. This is welded tight to this side of the rim. But it's very, very loose on the other side of the rim. So it doesn't fit the hub. It's not tight around this part. And as you can see, it was a little crooked because there's no rust or contact line here, but then it's real heavily touching here. And it always did have a little bit of wobble to it, but I'm not too worried about that. And I may, because this thing will click, there it goes. It'll go right back in where it was. I may weld this up and keep it as an extra hand truck wheel. But the difference in these hand truck wheels, if you'll notice, this one does not have a split rim. It does, but not like the other one. This side in here is convex. If you flip it over, it's convex. So effectively, it's got a wider space in here on this spindle or hub, whichever you want to call it. And it's welded on both sides. So it fits nice and tight. This is what they consider their heavier duty wheel. This one costs about $3 more than the other one. But from now on, this is what I'm going to put on my hand trucks. If the other ones fail, I'll switch to this. Or next time I need tires, I'll switch to this. So, I just thought I'd point that out. We're getting into the beginning of the race season and bringing the AHRA into Northeast Dragway. And I just can't say enough about Dallas and his crew. They've been awesome so far. And we're really looking forward to getting the season started and bringing some excitement to the track with the new sanctioning body and maybe some new faces and some new race cars. So, as always, practice your skills, learn a new one. Either way, turn it into craftsmanship, or at least think outside the box and find another way to apply it, because you may think of something that nobody else has thought of, or at least something that you haven't thought of before to apply your skills to make your creativity adventures go easier, or at least make your work go easier, make your day better. So, until next time, thanks for watching. This has been Fab Race Mod Repeat. Have a great day.